Whoa, 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 whoa.
Did he wreck?
No, he just kept going.
Olivia, what? I felt that was the porch. Will you grab it for me? I dropped it.
He just took off. Yeah, I don't think he knew how to stop.
Well, he knows where they are, but it's hard with
yeah.
it's a handbrake.
Here, Alex. Stop right when you dropped it.
It's cracking up. Go slow, baby.
Take your
He's
time.
gonna have to go a little faster. You know what? There you go.
There you
Keep it
go.
up.
There you go. Good job.
Good job, buddy.
Look at his face.
He was going, man. He's gonna hit something. I was like,
Do it. Lean it sideways a little bit. Give it gas. There you go.
You can tell he's a little
Let off
scared,
that.
but he's not. You know. Oh.
You did a burnout. What's the burnout you did? Right there.
that was funny. He was laid on that gas. I was like, oh shit. I thought he was gonna hit the fence or one of them barns back
I'm
there.
scared he's gonna go hit the side of that car.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Take it easy, remember? You gotta learn how to ride. Learn how to ride it before you do
Good
burnout.
burnout, yeah.
Learn how to ride it better, okay?
He
Here, get
needs to
on.
do burnout. Burnout king.
There you go.
Good job.
Slow down.
Slow down!
Hey. That's how
Oh shoot.
He's
Gotta watch
laughing
him
at
going around
Daniel
the
telling him
house.
to slow down.
he's got a little bit more power on that, man. He's fast.
Oh no. Hold on, slow down, watch it. Stay away from the car. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Okay.
Go slow.
Let
Back
Mama
around.
let Mama move the car back, baby.